Welcome back to the C program tutorial. So in the previous class we have discussed about the concepts like the very basic functions such as input output functions. Then we have discussed about how we write a program, how we declare some variables in the program, and how to identify the required number of variables and all the things. And also we have discussed about the concept called as data types, qualifiers, modifiers. Now what we are doing is we are trying to start slowly building up the complex code, and in order to develop some complex code we require some base idea of the operators in C. So C provides us some different types of operators. Before going into the classification of operators, I would like to define what is an operator, what is an operand. Right? Suppose we have a equation like this: C is equal to A plus B. In order to make it more convenient, I am writing it far away like this: C is equal to A plus B. So in this we have two types of terminologies to be understood. The first one is called as the operator. The second one is called as the operand. The first one is called as the operator and second one is called as the operand. So when an operator and operand combines, we get an expression. Right? So this is how you have to understand the concept of developing an expression in C language. So in the given example, C comma A comma B are called as the operands, and plus comma equal to are called as the operators. Now once you understand this example, I would like to define operator like this. The term operator can be defined like this: operator is a symbol is a symbol that performs specific operations on operands. Right, this is point number one you have to understand. Point number two is, this is point number one, I am talking about point number two. Point number two is we can have any number of operators and any number of operands in an expression. There may be any number of operators and operands in an expression. This is point number two you have to understand. Expression. Now the third and the most important and the last thing you have to consider is the number of operators. The number of operators is always one less than the number of operands. Based upon these three things, you should be able to understand how the operators will be working in C language. Now once you have understood about the concept of or the definition of operator and the points to be remembered while we are dealing with the operators, Now what we'll do is we will be talking about the types of operators and we'll be ending the class today. Now we are talking about the types of operators. Types of operators. So the first, there are many types of operators available in C language, and I am going to list out all the types of operators available here. The first one is called as assignment operator. Assignment operator. The second one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. The third one is relational operator. Relational operator. The fourth one is logical operator. Logical operator. The fifth one is comma operator. Comma operator. Sixth one is compound assignment operator. Compound assignment operator. The seventh one is conditional expression operator. Conditional expression operator. The eighth one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. The ninth one is size of operator. Size of operator. So this is the list of the operators available in C language. So in the next class we will be talking about each and every operator in detail with a best understanding of an example. So this is all about today's class. We will be meeting in the next class. Thank you.